Hi guys, welcome to our channel Finance for Phase Fuel to Our Income. So today we are going to start a new series, Truth about the share market and its stocks. So chalo, let us start our very first video of this series. If you are new to this channel, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. We have aimed 10,000 subscribers by this month, so please help us reaching that count. Thank you. So here I have made some points that we need to go through before entering into the topic. What is share market and stock market and equity market? So all are same, where the buyer and seller comes in a trading platform to buy and sell the shares. Suppose I am a buyer and you are the seller. You come there, you sell your share. I come there, I buy you a share at some price. So that is nothing but a share market. So who can invest in a share market? Any person who is having PAN card and a bank account can invest in a share market. Can we invest 100 rupees in a share market? Yes, we can invest 100 rupees in a share market, and even less than that we can invest. What is F&O market? F&O is nothing but future and options. So we'll try to understand in this way. If I want to buy one apple, I will go to equity market. If I want to buy a dozens of apple, I will come to the F&O market. What is commodity market? Commodity market is a place where you can trade in a crude oil, gold, silver, spices and many other commodity things. Next we will come to where does the investor invest money. Investor always invest their money in a equity market. Generally it is considered as a safe for the long term. And what is intraday trading? Intraday trading is a trading that starts at 9:15 and ends at 3:15. Within a day the intraday trading has to be ended, so that is known as intraday trading. What is margin trading? Margin trading is an add-on benefit to the intraday trading. Like if I have 25,000, I get a leverage of 4 to 5 times to trade. Leverage, like you are getting an extra benefit of 75,000 or 1 lakh rupees for your 25,000. So this is a basic concept that I wanted you to know. So thank you for it. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and also please do not forget to hit that like button. We have a target to reach. We have a target of 10,000 subscribers to reach. Please do that. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.